Today we are back with another brand new video, and today we installed our latest Android stereo in this car, which is Ford Kuga, or how do you pronounce it? I really don't know. This is a 2016 model, so we didn't just install the stereo, we also installed the back camera. So when you buy the stereo, you come with this part as well, also with the external external speaker that we installed as well. The middle speaker, we installed the speaker as well, and it has a lot of functions, guys. Like your car have these functions, all the functions here that they are visible there. For example, even though you have AC here, so if I turn on the fan from here, you can see all the functions there, if you see. So it has some built-in features as well. Also, it monitors all the data from your car and previews it in the stereo. So let's talk about the stereo we installed. This is an Android 9.0. We also have the Android 10.0 as well, but this is the best and suitable for this car. This stereo comes with 32 to 64 gigabytes of memory. If you want more memory, you can also connect it externally. It comes with from 2 GB to 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has all the built-in necessary functions that the Android phone have, or Android device have, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and all other things. Let's talk about some of the built-in functions. You have the radio here. You have the built-in radio. You have the Bluetooth. The built-in Bluetooth, it comes with two functions. One of them is obviously if you want to call somebody, if you want to receive calls or hang up calls, if you want to send text messages, then you can use one of the Bluetooth function. The second function is if you want to listen to music from your phone, from your mobile phone, then you can basically play the songs from your mobile phone, and you have the BT music here. You can listen to the songs here. Then it also have the built-in navigation. The navigation this is the built-in navigation application, and then you can use different navigations in the stereo, like Google Maps, Sidekick, all other difference. But the one we have, or we do it for all the stereos, is iGo navigation. And why we do it is this iGo navigation is completely offline. It navigates without any internet, so it takes signal from the satellite, and it has all the latest European maps. So if you travel to a different country, you really don't need to worry about it, because it has all the European maps pre-installed, and it works completely offline, and it's pretty efficient as well. Then it has some built-in video player and music player, but these two players, they are used if you want to listen to the songs or watch videos externally, like if you have a memory card or if you have a USB drive, then you can insert the USB drive or the memory card. Whenever we install the stereo, we install an external port right above here, two external ports on this side of the car, or in some cars we do it on the left side here. So you can just connect a USB or a memory card, insert the memory card, and then you can go to the video player and the music player in order to listen or watch the video. Right now we don't have any video, but yeah, you can do that as well. Then if you go to the apps application, then there you have the Android applications, such as there are some built-in you're gonna get. For example, this one here, ADAS. You really don't need this one, but if you want to use it, you can use that one as well. Then it has an aux function as well. It has easy connections, which allows you to mirror your phone to the stereo. It works similar to the Apple CarPlay. If you have Apple CarPlay, then we also install an application here. You can also use Apple CarPlay wirelessly to the stereo, but this function, easy connections, it works similar to the Apple CarPlay basically. Then here you have the iGo navigation. Then you have this equalizer. It is used for the people who know how to work with the sound, like bass and different things here. Then it has a lot of different features as well. You can also if you have 4 or 5 speakers in the car, you can choose where you want the sound to be. If you want to listen from the back, you can choose as well. If you want to listen to the front, you can choose that one as well. But I'm gonna put it on all here. It has a lot of different functions, this equalizer. Then it also have the Google Maps, or you can install anything basically from the Play Store here. You basically connect your stereo to the internet. You can either use a internet device, or you can share the internet from your mobile phone to the stereo using personal hotspot. Then you can go to the Play Store, or on like you have on iPhone devices, you have App Store. It's in Android, they have Play Store, so you can go there and literally download anything you want. If you want to download Netflix, if you want to download Spotify, YouTube, maybe we have already pre-installed YouTube here, but you can download literally anything. And if you download Netflix, you can basically watch movies here. If you want to listen to the songs on the stereo, then you can basically download Spotify, log in, and then you can listen to the songs. Or you can download other apps like SoundCloud, YouTube Music, in order to listen to the songs. Then it also have the front camera basically function. Front camera, it is if you have a dashboard camera, or if you want to install a dashboard camera, then you can connect it to the stereo, and all of your videos are gonna be stored in the stereo, or you can preview it from here. So you can also connect the front camera or dashboard camera to the stereo. Then it also have the gallery here, photo gallery. It has a DVD CD player as well. You can also insert a DVD CD player. There you have the ZH cane. It's basically your car's data. Then you have the steer, which is your steering wheel buttons. Like if you want to, right now this is for the volume up, this is for the volume down, this is for the you can use it either to skip songs or attend the call or hang up the call. Then you have it here. But if you want to change the functions of these buttons, then you do it from the steering wheel. So for example, if right now this button is set to the volume up button, I can change it to something else, maybe Bluetooth. You can do it from here. So there you have the steering wheel. And then you can also watch TV here, but you really don't need to open this application, because you have YouTube and other applications there where you can watch videos or your favorite TV shows, movies, or series. Then it has also a lot of widgets. Then we also installed a back camera to this car. So right now the car is in the neutral, so as soon as I put it in the reverse, the back camera comes up and is in very, very good quality. You can also change settings of your back camera, like if I can lower this, you see the changes on the screen. You have some settings to the back camera as well. This is the contrast, this is the sunlight basically, and the back camera works in the night as well perfectly. And how you go back to the Android stereo is as soon as I put it in the parking, drive mode, or neutral, it will automatically go to the Android. There you go. And this is the stereo we installed, and you can also connect Apple CarPlay. You can use a lot of other things as well. So I will leave all the links in the description below. You can check this stereo out as well, and you can find a stereo for your car as well. So we have these kind of stereos, or even better stereos, for all other cars like BMW, Mercedes, Audi. I will leave the website link in the description below, so you can check it out. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to leave to ask in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video, and see you until then. Bye bye.